Dad? He is okay. He knows what to do. 2 hours earlier. We are going on a train! You have said that 14 times. I know. I am very excited. 7 more minutes, Paul.
First long train trip. How does it feel?
Amazing. And a little bit nervous. I made a list of everything we need. Of course you did. Tickets, snacks, books, charger, water. I just brought my bag. It is so big.
It gets bigger once you are inside.
Platform 4, carriage C, seats 11 to 14. That is us. This way. That says Grandma's town.
It does. That is where we are going.
Window seat. Called it. I wanted the window seat. I called it first.
You can swap at the next station.
We are moving. We are actually moving. I can see the station getting smaller. Look, Thad, a red barn.
And cows in the field next to it.
How do cows not get dizzy watching trains go by? Cows do not watch trains, Paul. I spy with my little eye something green. Every field, Paul. Everything is green. You guessed it. That was not a guess. That was a fact.
Look at that river. It runs all the way to the coast.
How do you know?
I looked at the map before we left.
You look at maps before everything.
That is how you know where you are going.
That is how you know where you are going.
Good morning, sir. Morning. May I see your tickets?
Here is mine, sir.
Where are you off to today?
Yes, sir. We are going to see our grandma.
I already do.
I already do.
I want to be a ticket inspector one day.
Yesterday you wanted to be an astronaut. I can be both.
Of course you can.
Of course you can. Wait. Where is my bag? Your tan bag? It was beside you. I left it. On the platform bench. At the departure station. I will go get it.
No. I will go. Stay here with Mom.
But Dad.
Dad? D-A-D. It is okay.
Dad? D-A-D. Paul, sit down. Mom, Dad is on the platform. I know, my love. What do we do? We stay calm. And we think. We have to go back. Can we stop the train? We cannot stop the train, Paul. Then what do? We wait. Dad knows what to do. How do you know? Because he always does.
Okay. Find someone who can help.
Excuse me. My family is on that train. Oh dear. Right. Let me see what I can do. Can you reach them on the train?
We can radio the conductor. One moment.
How long until the next station? About 20 minutes. 20 minutes is forever. It is not forever. It is 20 minutes. It feels like forever. I know. But Dad is not worried, so we should not be either. That is Dad's bookmark. Yes! He always loses his place without it. He does.
Good news. There is a return connection in 18 minutes. Will I arrive before my family leaves?
About 10 minutes after them. We will radio ahead. Can you tell them to wait by the main clock?
Of course. I will send the message now. Good.
Excuse me. Our husband and father got separated at the last station. Oh, thank goodness.
What did he say?
What did he say?
He said everything is going to be just fine, Paul. Your dad asked me to let you know he's arrived.
Wait by the big clock.
Thank you, Mr. Evans.
Wait by the big clock. He is coming. Are you okay? I think so. Yes. He found someone to help, just like he always said.
I wanted to run back. I really wanted to.
I know. But Dad stopped me.
But Dad stopped me.
Because he knew he could handle it.
And I could not?
You are handling it right now. I am just sitting here. Exactly. That is the hardest part. Central Station!
Let's go. We wait by the big clock.
Where is the big clock? There! In the middle! Not too fast, Paul. Stay together. But Dad said the clock. He is not here yet. He will be on the next train. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Not forever.
Not forever. Come on. Come on. He will come, Paul.
He always comes back.
Did you hear that?
Did you hear that?
Yes. She is right. She is right. What if he missed the connection? Oh, then he will call us. What if his phone is flat? Then he will find a station worker, like he always does. Dad! Dad!
I told you I was coming. I know. I know.
You found the return train.
Second platform on the left. Asked a station worker.
You have the bag.
Of course I have the bag.
I am so sorry.
It was a good adventure.
Were you scared on the platform?
A little. Yes. I was scared inside. But panicking would not bring the train back. You did not look scared.
What did you do?
I found someone who could help. And I waited.
Dad, If I had run back for the bag,
The door would have closed on you.
I know that now.
You knew it then. That is why you stayed.
I did not want to stay.
I know. But you did.
Waiting was the right thing.
Yes.
It was very hard.
The right thing usually is.
For the memory. It looks just right. Is that it? That is it. Grandma's station. We made it.
We always make it.
There you are. I was wondering.
Grandma, something happened on the train.
Oh my. Then what happened?
Dad found a station worker, and we waited by the big clock. And Dad came back? He said, "Wait by the big clock. I am coming." And he came.
So what did you learn today, Paul?
When something goes wrong, Plight, find someone to help. And wait.
Smart boy. Now come quickly, pray. The soup is getting cold.
We are coming, Grandma.